Exhibits, events, and environments. We do. I guess we do. Absolutely.
You get free advertising with
You know, we're giving longboards away. Give us some love on our hashtags. Take a picture of it. Give us some love. It's a meeting room. Randomly, someone did it. This is our Bulldog member. Do you remember Ziggy?
Yeah. Yes, at your office.
Yes, at the office. Bobby's from Guy. Highway 85. He'll know. Are we having fun?
Yeah.
Bracket, it's all you. It's all you, baby. Thank you. This does not happen that often until we get together